Hi teachers, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Drawings to make a graphic organizer that your students can type in. So first we're going to go right up here to the left corner and click Insert, and then we're going to click Drawing, and we're going to make our own today, so we're going to click New. Alright, so once this box pops up, I'm going to walk you through some of the things you can do here. So if you click on Actions, you can download your drawing, you can add word art, you can paste. If you want to undo something quickly, you can click here, or if you want to redo, you click this. Here you can change your zoom. So mine is just on fit. I'm going to zoom it out a little bit just to show you and then go back to fit. This is how I get back to my cursor. If I want to insert a line or arrow, I can click this little drop down and click what kind of line or arrow that I want to do. Or if I want to draw, I can click scribble and it's going to turn my cursor into little crosshairs, and then I can draw whatever I would like this. And then I can delete it by just clicking backspace. I also have the option to insert shapes. So you'll see here you can have basic shapes as well as hearts, smiley faces, some hourglass things and such like that down here. I can also insert all kinds of arrows or arrows that point multiple directions. I can also do call outs such as these little speech bubbles and bursts right. Lastly, I have equation options like the plus sign, minus sign, multiplication, division, equals, does not equal, and then some brackets down here. I can insert text boxes by clicking this text box button and then clicking and dragging however big I want my text box to be. And then I can fill my text box, change the border color, change how thick the border is, and then change my font. And then if you click these three dots, you have your normal typing menu here. I'm going to delete that. And then you can also insert images. You can upload them, paste them in from your URL, go to your Google Drive albums, open them from your shared drives, recent, or you can search for images on Google. So you can search for whatever you want and insert that in. So if I'm going to make a graphic organizer, I'm probably going to start by inserting a shape here. So I'm going to make a graphic organizer with some circles, and I'm just going to click and drag to make that circle however big I want it to be. And then I'm just going to center it using these little red lines here. All right, and then I want to add some circles around the side of it, and I want them to look exactly the same. So I'm going to click Control C, and then Control V a few times. And then I'm just going to place these circles around the circle that I already made and use these little red lines to line it up and make everything nice and straight. All right, and then to connect everything, I'm going to go back up here to my little line spot, and I'm going to click arrow, and I'm just going to use arrows to connect the center circles, the outside circles here that I've made. It's not perfect, but it's okay, and that'll work. Now, the cool thing is, remember to click back to your cursor. The cool thing is about these shapes is once I've made them, they are automatically text boxes. So if I double click on any of these, I can go ahead and type. So if I wanted to make this a main idea graphic organizer, I can just type in there like that. And then if I click save and close, it's going to embed automatically into my Google Doc. Now, if I wanted to share this on Google Classroom, I could quickly go over to Google Classroom here, go to my class, go to classwork, create, assignment, and then if I added this Google Doc that I just made with a drawing in it, and I make sure it's set to make a copy for each student, I now have a graphic organizer that my students can type in, and they can use this to plan writing or to go along with reading or however you want to use it. And then I can assign it. So that is how to use Google Drawings to make graphic organizers or to insert other pictures and have students type along with it, and I hope this helps.